Hey everybody, this is a sequence that you can do when you get done traveling, or if you've been sitting all day in a car, at a desk, or if your body just feels tight from anything. So start standing on your mat, the back of your mat. Feet are underneath your hips. Inhale to roll your shoulders back and down, palms face forward. And as you inhale, lift your shoulders up, squeeze them. Exhale, let them drop down your back and just feel that weight release from your shoulders. And inhale, reach your arms up. You can bring your gaze up and look back. And as you exhale, dive down over your legs and let your whole body hang. Grab onto opposite elbows with opposite hands and sway from side to side gently. Breathing in and out through your nose. Pulling your belly button gently back to your spine and noticing how that helps you release a little bit through your back. You can have a bend in your knees as well. And let your breath carry you gently from side to side. Letting go of any residual tension that you may be carrying from your journey, from whatever you were doing prior to this practice. So you let your arms go. Inhale halfway up, look forward. And exhale, release your hands and your head down. Inhale, sweep your arms up, coming up with a flat back. Hands meet overhead and draw down to your heart. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up, looking up to the sky. Exhale, fold forward. And walk your hands out to downward facing dog. Head and neck relax. You can go ahead and shake the head, yes and no. You can pedal your legs out by bending one knee at a time. And make sure you're breathing in and out through your nose and that you can hear your breath. If Ujjayi breathing is in your practice, now is a good time to activate it. Inhale to lift your left leg straight up behind you, bending at the knee. Start to make some small knee circles to open your hips. And bring your knee in towards your chest. Step that left foot up between your hands. Right knee comes down to the ground. And look up towards the sky, opening through your chest. Lifting your chest and your arms up. Come into low lunge. Hands come down to cactus, or arms in a cactus shape here. And then your arms and your hands drop down and come to clasp behind your back. And inhale, lift your chest. Breathe into the front of the body. Notice how good it feels to find space here, especially if you've been carrying heavy things or a backpack. Breathe into your chest. And on an exhale, release. Bring your hands down to frame your front foot and step yourself back to downward facing dog. You can find some movement here, definitely find some breath. Inhale, lift your right leg up, bend at the knee, make some small circles with the knee while pressing equally into both hands. Reverse your circles. And as you inhale, draw your knee towards your chest, step that foot between your hands, come down onto the left knee. Inhale to look up in your low lunge. And as you inhale, rise, lift your chest up, lift your arms up. Breathing in, fingertips are straight. Hands and arms come to a goalpost or a cactus. Really squeeze your shoulder blades towards the spine. And then keeping that squeeze of the shoulder blades, your hands extend down and come to clasp behind your back. As you inhale, reach up through your chest. Feel a nice opening. And exhale audibly if that feels good. And release your hands down to frame your front foot. Front foot comes back and you Come to a tabletop position. As you inhale, you drop your chest and look up. And as you exhale, you round your back. Belly button pulls to spine. As you inhale, just take a nice slow cat and cow. Feeling through your spine here. Noticing what feels tight and sending your breath to those spaces. And finish the cat and cow that you are on. And bring your hips back. Coming into a child's pose. Forehead comes down onto the mat. And hips rest back on your heels. Take some deep breaths in and out through your nose. And let yourself melt down, breathing all the way into the hips and the lower back. And crawling your fingers out forward just a little bit more to extend through the arms and the spine. Take one more deep inhale in through your nose. Exhale out through your mouth. And then crawl your hands back in towards your knees, slowly coming back to a seated position. Shoulders roll back and down. Hands come to clasp, opening through your chest. You can even put your head back gently and feel the stretch through your neck and your throat. And then your chin comes back to a neutral position. Hands release. Inhale your arms up overhead. Exhale your hands down to your heart. And just take a moment to reflect on what you're grateful for. Perhaps it's your body that's gotten you this far. Breathe space into your chest and your heart and give yourself a bow. I hope this short practice served you well. And you can like the video and subscribe for more.